What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money with ChatGPT in 2025 and the best AI tools to use. Now, if you're a complete beginner, you're in the right spot. I'm going to be taking you through step by step of how to get started, and I'm going to be giving you everything for free. So one of the things that you're going to be getting is the digital playbook right here. It has a checklist that takes you through step by step. Looks like we already have someone in the checklist taking action right here. Frequently asked questions, basic stuff, prompts. We got some prompts that I use for creating short form content. We have a list of 130 plus AI tools that you can get paid to promote. And then we have done for you short form videos that you can take, use them yourselves, just download them and bring them into CapCut. Just basic stuff right here. But yeah, so for you to get started, just go to digitalplaybook.com right here, put in your email, and then you will get taken to this right here. This is our free community. It's hosted on WAP. I really love this platform. And right now it is free. As you can see, you have 17 people in here right now, and it's free up until we get to 100 members. And then I'm gonna have to add a paywall because the information in here is just too valuable. Probably start $20 a month. But go ahead and get in while you can. That's where the digital playbook is. One-on-one setup calls if you need help. Community chat, that's where I like to communicate. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive into the video of how to make money with ChatGPT in 2025. Just go ahead and drop a comment, get in the group. We are doing some cash giveaways that I didn't even go through. If we go over here to forums, giving away $1,000, people that are taking action. And then Spotter, this is a tool that I use for finding outliers in my niche. They're giving away $25,000, but that ends before Christmas. So first thing is you're gonna wanna set up the automated follow-up system with our snapshot. So I talk about this a lot on my channel, and that is gonna be using the tool Go High Level. Get it for a 14-day free trial. But this is what I use for all my emails, my automations, and my scheduler as far as scheduling out all the content to my different social medias. So go ahead and sign up for this tool. There's other CRMs, but if you're wanting to be able to use my snapshot, you're gonna need this one. Then we're gonna go back to the digital playbook, and then once you do that, boom, go ahead and check that off. So right under there is the link for you to download the snapshot. So once you do, you will have everything that I have. Let's just go ahead and look into that. So you would hit yes, import now, and then let's just go ahead, and I already have one open up, boom. So we'll go into automations right here. You have all these automations, all these sites. Funny thing is you really don't need all these sites, you just need one or two, but it's just easier to copy everything that I'm using in my backend and create a snapshot that way. So we have done the snapshot. Now it's not on the checklist on the notepad, but we want to go ahead and pick a tool that you want to get paid to promote. Now the tool, it's already highlighted. It's called Traffic ID. This tool is amazing because what it does is you put a pixel, just a little form of script in the header of your website, and when people go on your website, they will get tracked. It's not anonymous though. I'll just show you. So this is my portion of this traffic ID, and this is for the digitalplaybook.com. It's one of my funnels. And you can see here, this is all people's information that got on the website, but didn't opt in. So right here, we got Portia. Looks like she was on my site 3 seconds, 6 seconds on Saturday, and looks like she was on it again this past Saturday. So good information. It means she's interested. For something like me with AI as like a personal brand, it's definitely helpful, but the amount of value that you could add if you're a small business or a marketing director where you're having people come onto your pricing page and you notice that they spend 15 seconds or things like that, you're gonna have some insights when you reach out to them, different email sequences you want to build for certain prospects. And these are leads that you have on your website that you just didn't know about. So this is a tool that I've been promoting alongside Go High Level, and basically the top 3 ones, we go back to the digital playbook, So traffic ID, spotter, 11 Labs, that's just a necessity if you want to do like AI voices. And then Gen 3, I don't think this one even has an affiliate, but it's one of the top tools I use. So what you would want to do is go ahead and sign up for this, and then you will log in. I already have mine over here. Log in, and then you're going to want to traffic ID, and then you're gonna copy this to clipboard. So we have that copied. Now let's go ahead and build your site or the front end of it. So let's just go to snapshot funnel. So this is one of the ones that you can use. Alex actually used the one that I am using. So this is one of them. Easiest way to make $1,000 per day with AI ChatGPT, get checklist and bonus. How you get the pixel on here is you just go to settings, right here where it says heading tracking code, boom, post that pixel and save it. And now when people go to your website, it's not 100% chance, it's like 30 to 40% chance that you'll be able to extract some type of information from the traffic that's on your website. And 30% is better than 0. So once we have the funnel, that front end funnel, we want to, so we have our tool that's going to be traffic ID for an example, and just sign up, then you become an affiliate. We actually use traffic ID to put the pixel on our site. Now we want to go to the backend portion of it, and that is going to be email automations. So I got a few email automations right here, but the one I've set up for you guys that I need to set up for the other ones is just this new email opt-in. I like this one because it has over 60 emails already in here, and I've made it real easy for you guys to import your affiliate links with something called a custom value. You see how this says custom value affiliate link? That means in the settings portion, if you put your affiliate link there, it's going to populate into all those places with a hyperlink. So all we got to do, settings, custom values, create new one, just type affiliate value. This is where that goes. That's actually the pixel. I didn't actually copy it, but you get the point. You'd hit create, boom. I'm not going to do that because I already have mine created. So now every time a contact gets created, they get opted into that email automation. So we got the snapshot imported, installed the tracker, set up your clone. So if you want to, you can create your own AI clone with the tool called Replicate. This is just a picture that I created, and this is an example of the prompt. Now all I did was to create the prompt was I just went into ChatGPT, typed in something that said act like an image prompt optimizer, and every time I use the word mic, expand on it. But to set up the system Replicate, if we go to the digital playbook, there's a YouTube video right here that shows you how to set up. It's 20 minutes, set it up. But a lot of you guys are probably newer, so I would suggest don't set up your clone yet. Just go into the videos, and I have like 300 done for you videos that you can download, go into CapCut, put them together, and then write some text using the prompts that I have inside of Digital Playbook as well. If you need help with that, let me know. But yeah, these are proven to work prompts. So just use those, put those in the ChatGPT, type something like, give me 5 variations of this prompt. And that's what you would do. Download those videos, take them into CapCut. I think each video is, let's just scroll down. There are a bunch of different ones. So these videos are 5 seconds. I would suggest combining 5 together, and then 5 times 5 is 25. Yeah. So combine 5 of them together in CapCut and then download them, add some background music. You can get background music from 11 Labs, anywhere, YouTube audio. But that's where I would start. I wouldn't worry about creating your clone yet if you're just starting out. So let's go back to the notes. So we got to use ChatGPT and Spotter. Talked about Spotter earlier, but it is what I use for, finding outliers in my videos. So what I would do is, I really don't use the projects that much. I'll just go into outliers and I'll type like AI tool, since I'm in the AI niche. No results. Let's go to filters. Now I want less than 100K. You know what? I want less than that. Since I don't even have 1,000, I want 50K. Okay, so look, 50K. So now it has a bunch of videos. Looking at the top right here, which is an outlier score. So this one right here, it's got 16K followers, but it got 42,000 views. But it was uploaded a couple months ago. So that could still be a good one, but I want recent. So upload date, let's go with like November. So this one right here, 11,000 followers, 21,000 views. Create AI movies like a pro with consistent characters. So this is a good one. I'm saving that. That tool, I mean, that's a good title. Not gonna copy that verbatim, but. All right, so this is Spotter. Now, if you want to sign up for the free trial, where is it? Free trial, just go to this link right here. That's the link to go through. But pretty much covered everything as far as how to get started. I really try to go not too much into depth because everything is in the checklist. And I want you guys, the people that are actually taking action, go through the checklist. And then if you have any questions, that's where you can go into the group and message me. That's where you should start. So that's it for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next one.